Closing the books at the end of each month is a crucial step in keeping your business finances in order. Whether you're managing a small business or personal finances, this task ensures your accounts are up to date and ready for any necessary reporting or audits. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can confidently close the books without any hassle. First, let's start with reviewing your financial transactions. Begin by going through all income and expense entries for the month. Check that every transaction has been properly categorized. If you're using accounting software, this step should be fairly straightforward, but make sure everything is accounted for. Next, reconcile your bank accounts. This is one of the most important steps when you close the books. Make sure your bank statement matches the transactions recorded in your accounting system. Any discrepancies should be flagged and investigated to ensure accuracy. After reconciliation, move on to reviewing your accounts receivable and accounts payable. Make sure all invoices that were due during the month have been paid or are properly accounted for as outstanding. Similarly, ensure that all bills you owe are entered into your system and scheduled for payment. Once your accounts are balanced, it's time to update your financial reports. Most accounting software will allow you to generate a balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement with just a few clicks. These reports will give you a snapshot of your business's financial health and are key to understanding where you stand. Now, don't forget about taxes. Make sure any tax-related entries are recorded correctly. This could include sales tax, payroll taxes, or other business-related taxes. Keeping this organized throughout the month will save you time when it's time to file. At this point, take a moment to review your budget for the month. Are there any unexpected expenses or discrepancies? If so, investigate them to ensure your budget is still in line with actual spending. After reviewing everything, close out the month in your software. Most programs will have an option to lock the period, preventing any further edits. This gives you peace of mind that your books are set and ready for the next month. The last step is to back up your financial data. This ensures that all your hard work is protected in case of any technical issues down the road. If you're looking to streamline this process and make it even easier, I highly recommend using the software we'll be using in this tutorial. I've tried several of the most popular options out there, and this one is hands down the best for month-end closing. Plus, I've got an exclusive free trial available for viewers of this channel. Check the description below to grab yours. Now, let's recap. To close the books at the end of each month. 1. Review all transactions. 2. Reconcile your bank accounts. 3. Check accounts receivable and payable. 4. Update your financial reports. 5. Ensure your taxes are correctly entered. 6. Review your budget. 7. Lock the period in your software. 8. Back up your data. Key takeaway. Closing the books is about ensuring your financial records are accurate and organized, setting you up for the next month and preventing future issues. By following these steps and using the right software, you'll make the process smoother and more efficient. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below to try out the software we recommend. It's a game changer for closing your books quickly and accurately each month. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.